Home Business CPA Marketing from Scratch, Course Description. With the help of the right CPA marketing strategies, you can start making money online. This course will show you what it takes to become an online marketer, even if you don't have any previous experience in this area. Through step-by-step instruction, you'll tackle all of the essential elements of the CPA/affiliate marketing techniques that really work. Before you know it, you'll be able to run an online business from home in order to generate passive income. CPA marketing from start to finish. This course is designed for learners of all levels, and it will show you how to build a successful CPA/affiliate marketing campaign from start to finish. You'll discover how to apply for the top CPA networks, how to develop a solid relationship with the best affiliate managers, and how to find the hottest offers to promote in order to generate the highest profits. On top of that, you'll tackle what it takes to write the ideal ads, and how to spy on what your competitors are doing so you can stay ahead of the game. Plus, you'll learn how to generate leads using a variety of methods, and you'll uncover top secret converting sources. All of this will translate to being able to generate more cash. You'll begin this course with an overview of what CPA marketing is and how it can work for you. Then you'll learn about choosing the perfect network, applying and getting approved, and installing the appropriate web hosting and WordPress tools. Once your foundation is set, you'll dive right into the world of CPA marketing. You'll unlock secrets to finding and choosing the best offers to promote, while also understanding what offers you should avoid. You'll even cover the keywords and ads that always convert, and you'll master direct linking and landing page creation. Finally, you'll go over how to set up a successful campaign and generate the highest amount of traffic possible. By the time you complete this course, you'll know exactly how to launch a successful CPA marketing campaign. You'll be able to establish a home-based online business that will start generating profits surprisingly easily.